Hi, greetings everyone. We all invested in Strawbag, and many investors also invested in Strawbag, thinking that Strawbag is a very good platform. They will give very good returns and passive income and all for 7 days and daily income and all. But unfortunately, they have cheated many investors and people without giving any withdrawals. If they are given withdrawals only very penny, if they are invested for $500, they are given back $100, $200. They are not returning even principal. This is the actually this is the Nigerian fraudulent platform. We all faced a lot of problems with these type of platforms. Strawberry, one Doris and Kelvin, so many other agents are there. I will guide you not to invest in such platforms because they are completely fraudulent. Not only Strawberry, there are other similar platforms which are trying to cheat the investors in many other ways. So I am just here to create some awareness for the investors not to get cheated with this type of platform and save your money. If you at all want, you can trade your cryptocurrencies in exchanges on your own. Don't give it to any this one. Don't invest in any daily returns platforms such as Strawback. You can see here I invested total of 4,000 something and still the interest valid balance is there. I will show you my withdrawals are still pending from past 1 month. This is all you can see withdrawal history. See pending. See 841 pending and 1039 pending, and they have given us only very little out of our investment. They have given 103 one time and 61 one time. Okay, so this is a completely fraudulent platform. I will show you. There is a one agent called Kelvin from Dubai. Okay, he said that he is from Dubai, but he is actually from um Kenya. Sorry, Nigeria. Okay, see, this is the one who put his DP photo in Telegram. Okay, but unfortunately, he is totally different from that person. See here, I will show you this. This is the screenshot. When I asked him to give a call back, he gave a call back. See, this is the person. One Mr. Kelvin, he says, but I don't think he is not a Kelvin. He is not from Dubai, he is from Nigeria. Okay, see, this is the same person. When I asked him to give a call, he told that he is the same person who is on DP and Telegram, but he is totally different. You can observe, he is a total different person, and you can see his number plus 234. It belongs to Nigeria. Okay, he says that he is in Dubai. Okay, so whenever you want to uh, take a call, you always ask him to give a video call so that he will know actually reality of the person. Okay, not on you can I will show you. He asked me to send again for some reactivation and all for reactive for get the withdrawal. He asked me to send again some dollars. I send, you can see here around $212 I have sent. After that, see, after that again he is asking for $80. I asked what for. Those are all things. Okay, he is now. And then I blasted him. See, he's asking withdrawal happen. No withdrawal, nothing. There is no withdrawal. Okay, if withdraw the Nigerian fraud company. See, I have blasted him, bastard. Where are you hiding? Work somewhere and lead life. Don't cheat people, you uncultured rogue. See, still no reply, nothing. Escaped. Okay. See, apart from Strawback, there are another other platform. There's some similar platform. People trying to contact me. See here, one is Nina Sulik. This is that I think this photo is totally different. They have put some good photos to attract the people and investors. Okay, this is the one. She asked me to invest in Howler Investment. This is another fraudulent platform. And this is one Victor. You can see is that picture you. Yes, he said he is American. Okay, good to see you. He is a Victor. He is also asking for BC Global Investment. When I asked them to give a video call, they have denied to give the video call. See, this is the completely fraudulent. Okay. See, Strawbag really a good. Strawbag is a Austrian construction company who is having good reputation. These people used that name in to cheat the people. See, Strawbag to cheat the people. This one. You can see here some reviews on Strawbag. You can see scam is here, run for your life. Your withdrawal will be remain pending till Jesus come back. Okay, so many other this one. And also I would like to bring to your notice that some other similar platform they are trying to cheat the people. One is Binance Forever. Okay, this is another one platform, lot of withdrawal spending. Okay, and this is another one, Profix Trading, Profix Trade Investment. This is almost similar to Strawback. I think they are only running different platform to cheat the people. This is another one, Gembox IBO. This is another one platform to cheat the people. See, Gembox IBO. Okay, and Auto TradeX.biz. This is another one fraudulent platform. Okay, see, this is Doris. Doris from Strawback. See, why I asked her about withdrawal, whether it is a scam or what. What is this one? He said, "Hello, we apologize for the delay in response. Drawback is not and would never be scam." See, always they send, why are you holding my? There's no response from her. Okay, I just blasted again. You can see here, I know this platform formed to cheat the investors by giving penny back and stimulating them to invest, deposit more in the name of promotion and get cheated. See, these are all. So I just wanted to create awareness without any this one. So I always request people not to fall prey for this. Completely Strawbag is a completely fraudulent platform. Don't invest in any Strawbag or any related platform. Daily is this one. The one invest only the company who are the real promoters coming in front of stage or in front of us for the promotion and all. Those only we can believe. These are all platform. When the server switch off, they won't give any withdrawal. Then we can't do anything at all. So be cautious before investing. Do your research, and I suggest better you invest in exchanges on your own, and you can trade and earn. That is the better for that for no Strawback, Doris, and so many other Kelvin. These are all very fraudulent platform. They are trying to contacting, especially in Telegram, to so many people and approaching them. If they fall, they will try to extract all their investment and they will cheat. These so be awareness, create and spread this news, spread this video to others also, and be cautious and save your investment and all. Okay, thank you very much.